How's it going, everybody? Welcome to Omega Math Services, the last place where you look for math help. Today we'll be tackling exponent rules, so we're going to see that it's not as bad as it seems. So let's begin. The first rule I want to teach you guys is, what is any number to the 0 power? So in this case, for example, right, let's say 1 to the 0 power is always just 1. You can put any number you want. Let's say 2 to the 0 power. That's also equal to 1. Okay, so anything to the 0 power, always 1, is always equal to 1. It doesn't even matter if it's a variable like you see here. Okay, doesn't even matter because, again, anything to the 0 power, even if it's a variable, so x to the 0 power is just 1. Y to the 0 power is also 1. All right, now the next rule I want to show you guys is any number to a negative exponent, so that's number 2 right here, will always be 1 over that number. So for example, let's say I have 2 to the negative 2. Well, we just follow the rule, right? So remember that this is your base and this is your power. So you always just put it over 1. We look for our base, which is 2, and we turn our power into a positive. So plus 2. All right, and it doesn't matter, you can even have a variable, so x to the minus 2 is the same as 1 over x squared. Okay, so that's, you can put whatever number or whatever variable you want, as long as it's to a negative exponent, it will always be over a fraction. And last but not least, if you have a negative exponent on the bottom, you can just bring it to the top. So that's this rule right here. So for example, if you have 1 over 2 minus 2 to the negative second power, you can just bring that to 2 to the second power, right? And all we're doing is just following this rule. So again, this applies when you have negative exponents on the bottom. Let's say you have 1, 3 to the negative second, that's the same as 3 squared. And it even applies to variables, right? So we have 1 x minus 2, we can just bring it to the top, right? So those are the rules. You guys, these videos are just aimed at people who are starting out their math journey, who are studying for the SATs, GREs, GMATs, and even calculus. If you do not master these fundamentals, I promise you, you will not get far in your classes. So with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching, and leave a comment, rate, like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Till next time.